can't happen. No, it can't happen. It's impossible. I'm sure Obina's mother has gone extra miles. She went extra mile for this to happen.
I am trying so hard to get over the shock your father gave me.
No, Mom, you just have to do something. Father has to reverse this decision.
Bono has disappointed me. He promised me he was going to convince your father.
No, this can't be. And the worst part is that if he's not picking my calls.
I need time to think.
No, Mother. I'll be back.
Where are you going?
Oh, I'll be back. Excuse me.
Mom? What's going on?
Your father has decided on Onowu's daughter.
Is it Obina?
Mama, why?
Obina ought to have been here by now. I don't know what's keeping him.
Mother, you made a mistake. You should have given him the news over the phone. That will make him come immediately.
Let me call him right away.
I can see everyone is excited. You feel like winners already, don't you?
Young man, I will advise you in your best interest to forget this matter. You've lost already. Can't you see it? You're a loser. So just forget it.
I'm a loser. Okay, we shall see how this turns out in the end, eh?
I'm sorry. You shall say nothing.
You know how the saying goes, he who laughs last, laughs best. He who laughs last, laughs best.
I don't blame him. I should be blaming his mother.
Mother, just call him.
Let me call your brother. Let me call him right away.
JB, you want to fuss this life? Watch your step. You want to get everything? Be careful. You want to fuss this life? Watch your step.
Honey, please talk to me. Please talk to me. Can you just talk to me? What?
Please, Obina, I do not want to set my eyes on you again. Please. You heard what I said to you over the phone.
Yes, but I didn't understand what you meant.
Did you not tell me you did not propose to that girl?
Of course I did not propose to her. Yes.
She had the effrontery to come here to insult me.
Excuse me?
Oh,
she
Mama.
came here? How did she locate here?
Are you asking me that question? No, did you just ask me that question? Listen, please, just leave me alone. Leave me alone and go and marry her, okay?
Mama, you can't say that to me. You can't say that.
I mean it. And as soon as my father returns, I will tell him.
Mama, please. See, that girl is lying to you. If she ever told you that I, Prince Obina, proposed to her, she's lying to you. That's the lie from the pit of hell. Mama, please, you have to listen to me.
I do not want to run into trouble or have any problem with anybody. Besides, I will not take her threats for granted. So please, I am begging you in whatever God you worship, leave me alone.
Mama, please, just listen to me, please.
Quit trying to convince me because my mind is made up.
Mama, that's not fair. Mama.
Okay, maybe we fair. Okay, maybe we fair. What's look good on the outside may not be so in reality. What's look good outside may not be so inside this palace. It's you for no. Well, let me feel Shady, you want to force this life, watch your step. You want to get everything, be careful. You want to force this life, watch your steps. At the risky, shady, you want to force this life, watch your steps. You want to get everything, be careful. You want to force this life, watch your steps. At the risky, one more.
Obinna is not yet back.
Your mother thinks she has had her way.
Meaning?
Meaning what I just said. My brother was the first to meet Oma. And he was the first to tell our father his interest to marry her.
Okay, sister, but we are not talking about who meets Oma or who declare interest first. We are talking about merit. Yes, merit.
Merit's my fault. Do you think your brother merited it more than mine?
Check yourself very well. You don't need to be told.
Let us watch and see how it will end.
I'm sorry, sister, but I don't know the end you're talking about because it has already ended.
We at peace. We are happy.
Oh my
We are living in peace and harmony. Mama, why?
You better slow down on the alcohol.
Don't worry. I will. Okay. I need to ask you something. What is your interest in this matter? I mean, why are you so concerned? Why?
Because it's in my character. Yes. I hate injustice. I can't stand it. Even in the palace, everybody knows Ejiofor stands against injustice. That's right. You see, I cannot stand the female gender being treated shabbily. It's inhumane. It's wrong. It's highly unacceptable. I mean, a beautiful, witty ABCs of womanhood girl like you being treated with such emotional disdain? No, I can't stand that. No.
Well, I'm just concerned because it's, I mean, why me? Why me?
Well, not to worry. I will deliver him to you, okay? I just want you to keep your pride first of all. Alright? Give me your listening ears. That's the most important thing. Do you understand? That is the major thing I need you to. Because, you see...
What is this idiot? What is he doing here?
Okay. You really want to know? You want to know?
I demand to know.
He is here because he wants my peace. Because he wants my peace of mind and my happiness. If you want to know, that is why he is here.
You think I can allow you to mess my life up, right? You think?
Why do you want to mess her life up? No, why do you want to mess this innocent girl's life? What is wrong with you, Obinna? What is wrong with you? Why so much on this high horse? You think you can treat her badly, shabbily, just because of your status? What is wrong with you?
Will you shut up? How's that your business? How is it your business? You think I don't know what you're up to, right? You think I don't know what you're up to? Eh? You want me to strangle you right away?
Obinna, let him go.
Can you imagine what you're doing? In front of a lady? How gentle.
Oh, shut up your mouth!
Obinna,
Shut up!
Not fight in my house.
No, shut up! You are the cause of all this nonsense.
You are the cause of this, not me.
I said leave this girl alone! Something wrong with you! What's wrong with you? What is wrong? Are you sick? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you mad? What the hell are you doing?
How could my sons fight in the presence of a stranger? Huh?
My king, according to my son, he said it was Obinna that started the fight.
I don't want to hear that. Do you think by saying such, it will make me change my mind about this?
Mana Igwe, wait what right does Obinna have to fight Ejiofor when he met him there?
What was Ejiofor doing there in the first place? What was he doing there?
Ask her.
Ask her. Don't start to
What was your son doing there?
I want Obinna and Ejiofor here now.
Yes.
both of you can excuse me.
Go and call your son.
You go and call your own. Tell your own to call my own.
Who is that girl? And what was her mission?
She's Obina's woman.
Obina's woman. It's not true. Someone must have positioned her to blackmail Obi.
Father, that is not true. She's indeed Obina's woman. The truth is, I am no longer interested in whatever arrangements you have with the king. The king has gotten his son another woman. End of story. Can we just move on?
Mama, don't say that. It's not true. Huh? Do you want to rubbish my image before you go? You know how close I am to the royal family.
My mind is made up.
I know how you feel about the whole thing. I will advise you change your decision until I'm done seeing you away.
Father, it is my life I am protecting here. I do not want to be in any form of danger. The lady I saw today is desperate to have Obina, and by all means, she's ready to hurt anyone who stands in her way. I know what I saw today. I saw the fire in her eyes.
Don't bother. I can handle it.
Father, do you realize it is my life I am trying to protect? And by the way, how do you intend doing that?
I said I can handle it. Trust your father.
All my efforts to use Obina's ex-girlfriend against him has proved abortive. Now he has reconciled with Oma through Onowu's effort. My father is not being fair to me. I mean, I was first to declare my interest in Oma. How come he's treating me this way? How come?
We were at peace. We were happy.
Good afternoon, my friends. The prince has informed me that your lunch is served.
I'm not hungry.
Okay, my friends.
What did you tell the maiden mother sent to call you?
I told her I'm not hungry.
Do you want to starve yourself to death?
Like I said, I'm not hungry. When I'm hungry, I'll eat.
I will not eat except you join me. Come on.
Not hungry.
Ichie, I came to see you because you're one of the most influential cabinet members. And again, because of your relationship with Onowu.
My queen, did you say your son, Ejiofor, is the very first person that made this decision known to Digwe?
Yes. But Odibeze maneuvered everything to favor his son. I would like you to talk to Onowu for me.
And you think that Onowu is in a better position to revise Igwe's decision?
My husband has a lot of respect for Onowu. If Onowu is able to convince him, then it is done.
Ichezuko, what have you come here to do? What have you come here to do after inciting the people against my husband? Making him look like a weakling. You're here. If you are there, Megan. Hey! I don't want to hear any word from you. You're a very wicked man. You ridiculed my husband before the people of this community, and now you're coming here. Don't worry. My son will someday become king after his father. Then there shall be payback time. Nonsense.
What does she mean by that? Does she want to use her son against me when he becomes the king?
You have not said anything.
My queen, I'm thinking on how to talk to Ono on this matter.
Ichie. Have this.
Thank you.
There is more where I got that from. If you are able to convince him, I'll really appreciate you. I'll give you more than what I just gave you now.
Okay. I will see you know tomorrow. I promise you, your son Ejiofor will marry Ono's daughter.
Ichie, I'm so glad to hear this coming from you. Like I said, Ichie, what I will give you will be greater than what I just gave you. I will take my leave now. Thank you. Ichie.
Okay, my friend.
Ichie.
Let it be as we said.
Don't fail me.
I won't do that.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Shady, you want to force this life, watch your step. You want to get everything, be careful. You want to force this life, watch your steps. At the risky, Shady, you want to force this life, watch your steps. You want to get everything, be careful. You want to force this life, watch your steps. At the risky,
I invited you over because of the story I heard about you and my son. You are his mistress, right?
No, I am his fiancé, my king.
I blame my son for not being careful with you. Now I want to put an end to the Cold War both of you have been having.
Can I say something, my king?
No. I did not ask you to come to start judging here and there, but to settle this matter. Here is a check of 1 million naira. Take it. Go and start a new life.
My king,
do not argue with the king. Take the check and leave. Look at you. You're still a vibrant young woman. Beautiful lady at that. So many men will very well like to fall in love with you. So go there and start another life and leave my son alone.
Ify, take the check, right? I don't mean to hurt you, okay? Well.
You heard my son. Go ahead, come, take the check.
Come in.
Mother, I just saw Obina's girlfriend leave.
She was there?
Yes. She was with Obina's father and Obina's mother.
Maybe your father asked Obina to invite her over.
Yeah, I can't help but agree. She left in tears though. I tried talking to her, but she refused talking to me. My thinking is that father must have told her something very harsh.
You know what? I want you to dig deep into what happened. I want to know what happened.
Okay. Has Ichie Ezeoku called you?
I'm sure he must have gone to Onowu's house.
Mother, we can't trust that man. No, we just can't. He might fail us the same way Onowu did.
I don't think so. I had my reasons for going to him.
If you say so.
Babe, if I were you, I wouldn't take that check from him. Like seriously, Obinna would think that he has bought you over.
I am just regretting this whole thing now. I don't even know.
You need to return that check first thing tomorrow morning.
I cannot do that. I won't. Don't worry, I'm fine. I have plans. I have something I'm thinking about right now.
Things like what?
Do not bother about me. I will be fine. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay. I trust your judgment. I know what you can do. Have you eaten?
How? Which appetite? I don't even have one. Since last night, so I've not even eaten anything. I don't have appetite.
You need to calm down, okay? Maybe we should just go get some fruit, okay?
Oh, my face, you are so funny. I mean, I never thought of that.
It's a crazy storyline, right?
Crazy indeed. I mean, how could the hand be so stupid? I know, right? And what is she doing here?
Take. It's for you.
What's that?
Take.
Hey, honey, I have to be on my way now. Okay, I will speak to you over the phone.
Okay. He never cared to talk about the envelope his ex gave him. What could be the content?
Remember, a tree is known by its fruit. A man is judged by his actions. Kai malupa mayo, kai chili pa mayo, malupa mayo. Cause what you sow, you shall reap. Cause what you sow, you shall reap.
I wonder why Oma did not ask me about this. And I'm sure she'll be wondering in her mind why I did not touch the envelope before her.
Be careful, you want to foster this life. Watch your steps. Not the risky. One more.
If you should not dare me. I mean, you should not dare me.
Remember, a tree is known by its fruits. A man is judged by his actions. Kai malupa mayo, kai chili pa mayo, malupa mayo. Cause what you sow, you shall reap.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? What's the meaning of this nonsense? What kind of joke is that?
Joke? Does it look like I'm joking? Like I'm joking? I am serious. This is not a joke. I'm not joking.
But wait, you think I will allow you to tarnish my image because of your selfish interest?
Does it look like I'm joking? If you want to take me to any hospital, I am ready to go. I mean, they tie me down here.
Don't dare me. Don't dare me. Please, I'm begging you. Stay away from me. My father has paid you off.
Did I just hear you say pay off? Paid me off. With what? 1 million naira. Oh God. Obinna. With 1 million naira. Anyways, pay off or no pay off. The fact remains that I am pregnant for you. 2 months pregnant for you.
I'm going to warn you for the last time. And I won't repeat myself. Stay away from my house. I don't want to see you anywhere near my house.
You lie. Obinna, I am coming. I am coming. Tell your father. This time I am coming with our baby. Our baby. Take. Now your own. You go take a no take.
Remember, a tree is known by its fruits. A man is judged by his actions. Kai malupa mayo.
Oh no, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Honestly, I don't know if I'm still going to eat any other thing today. Like I so ate and drank till I had no space in my stomach again.
You're welcome, my prince.
Thank you.
Extend my greetings to your father, His Majesty.
He will hear. He will hear.
That's all right. I must leave 2 of you.
Thank you. So, sweetheart, what about hanging out for a lunch tomorrow?
It's fine. It's okay.
Nice. So,
Are you not going to talk about the envelope your ex gave you yesterday?
oh, yeah, sorry about that. I was supposed to tell you about it, but skipped my mind, probably because it's of no value, as a matter of fact.
What do you mean the envelope is of no value? Besides, whatever brought her to your house yesterday must be of great value.
Oh yes, it could be of great value to her, but to me, it's not. Oh, that's the truth. As a matter of fact, she was writing to beg me to accept her. Of course, I can do that when I have a beautiful angel like you.
That's it.
Absolutely. What is it, honey? Why are you making that face? You don't believe me?
Remember,
it's okay.
It's nice. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow then.
Judged by his actions. Cause what you sow, you shall reap. Cause what you sow, you shall reap. Baby, you want to fuss this life, what just
Ukamaka, you're welcome. You really made my day.
Really?
Of course, there's no doubt about it.
So, how about the money you said you'll give to me?
The money is here. Oh. I just have it. I will give you the rest when we see next time. Sure.
Thank you very much. So I can go now.
Do something. Give that something you usually give to me. What the boy?
You have to move next time.
Okay, I will wait. It's always next time.
I can't wait next time.
Oh, Chukuda, one your oma. Okay. Sweet.
A man is judged by his actions. Cause what you sow, you shall reap. Cause what you sow, you shall reap. Maybe you want to fuss this life. Watch your step. You want to get everything. Be careful.
Am I dreaming? Is this for real? My mother kissing my father's friend. Gosh! Jeez. I am finished. I am finished. I need to get home right now.
A man is judged by his actions. Cause what you sow, you shall reap. Cause what you sow, you shall reap. Maybe you want to fuss this life. Watch your step. You want to get everything. Be careful. You want to fuss this life. Watch your steps. At the Paris, one more.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. I want to enjoy myself. I want to enjoy myself.
Mama, there is no food in this house and I am very, very hungry right now.
And how is that my business? Rebuka, I should turn myself into food for you to eat.
Mama, give me 1,000 naira to go and look for what I will eat because there is no food in this house.
Rebuka, you're disturbing me. Wait for your father to come back.
Mama, see, if you don't give me that 1,000 naira I ask from you, I will tell Papa. I will tell Papa. I will tell him.
You tell your papa what? Ebuka, what are you going to tell your father?
Oh, you're still shouting. You're still shouting. Mama, see, if you don't give me that 1,000 naira today, I will tell Papa how you kissed his friend today in his car. I will tell him.
Ebuka, which man? What did you say? What did you say?
Mama, no need panicking. It's either you give me the 1,000 naira. In fact, for you to delay me like this, I will make it 2,000 naira. 500 naira is for energy drink. Then 1,500 naira is for fried rice and chicken. So give me the money now. Else I will tell my father everything I saw today. Everything. Every.
Blackmailer. Are you blackmailing me? Ebuka, if you ever mention me to your father, I will kill you in this house.
Oh, you're still threatening me. Mama, see, I am not forcing you. I am not forcing you at all. If you like, keep the money to yourself. But have it in mind that I will tell Papa everything I saw today. I will tell him everything I saw today in his friend's car. Kissing that maggot, all because of money. You're eating banana and granola.
A man is judged by his actions.
Mama, hurry up. I even made a mistake. I added it extra 1,000 to make it 3,000. Even they cannot say I'm all rotten.
What you saw, you shall reap.
I hope it's up to 3,000 there. Or 2,000.
I'm giving you more. Who asked you to eat my banana?
Mama, what is it? Why did you collect the banana
Take.
from? Mama, see, let me just tell you. Honestly, I am not happy with you. I am not happy with you at all. How can you be doing such dirty thing with my father's friend? How? All because of money.
Ebuka, have I not given you the money you requested for? I added extra 500 naira to zip your lips. Ebuka, I don't ever want you to mention it. In fact, don't even breathe about it.
Mama, see, I just collected this money because I needed it. The next time this nonsense repeats itself again, Mama, I am not going to collect a dime from you again. I am not going to collect a dime from you next time. You know?
Ebuka, come. How did you get to know about this?
Oh, you're asking me. Listen, I have my satellite everywhere. I have it on you. Try this nonsense next time.
Ebuka, you mount satellites to follow me.
The name of the satellite is 5G network. Just try this nonsense you did today. Kissing that dirty pig, all because of money. That irritating maggot. Try it next time.
Follow me.
Try it. Kissing that idiot because of money.
Ebuka, I'm working out about a 5G network. Hey! Tokwara no mato.
Young girl, who are you? Who are you looking for?
I'm here to see your daughter.
You again? What are you doing here?
I have a message for you.
Who are you?
I am Prince Obina's fiancé.
Prince Obina's fiancé? Were you not the one he were paid off?
I am the one, sir, but that's not why I'm here. I have a message for you, sir.
What kind of message do you have in that envelope?
Father, this girl is sick. Get out before I descend on you. She's getting on my last nerves. And what is it in that envelope?
Open it, let me see.
It's a pregnancy test result, sir. I am 2 months pregnant for him.
For whom?
For Prince Obina.
Now listen, if you were years of this, he will skin you alive.
Sir, I cannot lie. You can take me to any hospital of your choice. I'm willing to go.
Mama, give it back to her. Give it back to her.
Papa, you needed to see what I saw today. You needed to see it too.
What is it?
Papa, I wish you were there to see it yourself because my eye could not believe what I saw today.
Is that so?
I swear. Papa, this is not a joke. It's not a joke. It happened live in front of me. It happened live.
I'm waiting for you to tell me exactly what happened.
Papa, they were inside their car doing muchi muchi. Papa, what I saw today was abomination. Arrow.
Who are they?
Papa, is a married man and a married woman. And I said to myself, if my mother do such a thing to another man, I will go straight to my father and report her to my father.
What were they doing?
Papa, what I saw today, in fact, what I saw today was a sin, was evil in sight of man and God. Was evil.
Who are these people you are talking about?
Papa, if I tell you the people involved in this mess, you will be shocked. If I tell the people involved in this mess, you will not believe it.
I'm not interested. I thought you have something important to say. Mama Ebuka, I am hungry. Get me my lunch.
No, no food.
Eh? No what?
No food.
No food this early. If you don't go again, you want me to start fighting you. No food this early. No food for me.
Inside this house, outside this house, no food.
Papa, see, calm down. See, no point panicking, I have a special package for you. A very big package. Just wait, let me bring it.
I have no strength to talk. You have started. It's obvious. But there's no problem. Wait. Okay.
That is the food.
Ebuka.
Papa.
Who? Where did you get this kind of food from?
Papa, what did you tell me before?
That I am hungry.
So why still complaining? Just eat, later we'll talk about this.
Ebuka.
Eat your food.
Get me a cup of water.
Just eat and I'm coming.
No, I now have packaged food in the house when I'm crying for hunger. Okay.
So, Papa, here is the water. Hope you like the food.
It does good.
Eat. Later we'll talk about anything you want to say. Just eat to your satisfaction.
No problem. Hell, I'm hungry.
Eat the food. Eat everything. Finish.
Ebuka.
Don't mind her.
Ebuka, this is good.
What is it? What is it? Why are you holding my knee? What is it?
What was the meaning of that display?
Mama, leave me alone, Biko. Leave me.
Ebuka, what was that display before your father?
Mama, leave me alone, no? If you don't leave me alone, I will scream.
Ebuka, do you know you almost caused me blood pressure out there?
Mama, see, if you don't leave me alone, I will scream, no? I will scream and I will tell Papa everything once he comes here. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Biko.
I said I will kill you. You think it was a mere threat? Ebuka, if you ever mention me to your father, Ebuka me boogie.
Yeah.
I will forget the number of months I carried you in my stomach. I will forget the sacrifice of my breast that fed you. Ebuka, I will kill you. I will kill you, you will die. Try mention me to your father and see what I will do to you.
Mama, you know that what you did was wrong. You know that what you did was wrong. And my conscience is still accusing me for not telling my father the truth.
Ebuka, you're pointing at me.
Don't leave me alone, because
you're pointing at me. Ebuka,
leave me alone. Don't touch my head. With your evil hand. Don't touch my head.
My hand is evil. Ebuka, you even have the mind to carry my food and give to your father. Then you bought food for him. And you're calling the man rotten teeth. Is it not the same man that gave me the money I used in buying that food?
Leave me alone.
Try it.
Evil woman, leave me alone. Sleeping with that pig because of money.
Hey!
Sleeping with that dirty pig. Leave me alone. Nonsense. Try this nonsense next time with me.
God of mercy, this boy wants to put me into trouble. Ebuka is becoming a pain on my waist. This boy is becoming a pain on my waist. The The food I bought for myself, Ebuka gave to his father. Ebuka, what can I get to Satusa? I need to give this boy rat poison.
Obinna, what have you gotten yourself into?
Father, I do not have a hand in this.
You have brought in an ant-infested firewood into the palace. Now the lizard has come on a visit.
Igwe, we really need to tackle this issue. Because my daughter is threatening not to have anything to do with Obinna again.
Oh no, I swear by the gods of our land, I do not have a hand in this. Father, please, can we conduct another test? This is a framework.
The girl in question said she is ready for another test.
Fine.
Oh no. With that test be the proof of the truth of the pregnancy?
Well, let's give it a trial. Just like the prince has suggested.
In that case, I want to see that girl here tomorrow afternoon.
Oma has refused to pick my calls. I don't know how to face her and explain to her that if he lied about the pregnancy.
Wow. Isn't it boring drinking alone? But of course you deserve it. Well, I'm here to tell you congratulations because your dear Ify will be expecting a baby from you. Congratulations, you have done well.
Will you get out of this place?
I should get out. Such words. Is it because of Oma? No, you have lost that battle. You have lost that. You have lost that, my dear brother. Well, the good part is that this whole community will realize the kind of crown prince they got themselves.
What is giving you the impression that Oma will marry a selfish and arrogant man like you?
The impression that says there's no problem that cannot be circumvented, and the impression that says everything possible remains more possible.
Well, I will advise you to wake up from your slumber.
Okay.
Because it will never happen. I mean, what you're doing is an exercise in self-deception. So, wake up and stop daydreaming.
I know. Well, you keep sleeping while the world awakens to Ejiofor weds Oma.
Amanda Wandema Pubagala Echemna Nikabofu.
My sister, that would be nice, shameless. Do you know he has been calling me since yesterday?
Are you serious?
He has been calling my phone. I did not even answer him at all. Guess what? This morning I woke up. I saw a text in my phone. My father said he wants to see you today.
His father?
His father? Do you know what they want? They want to deceive me so that they will not give me money. Terminate this pregnancy. I will never do that. They won't even see me there.
My girl, you are smart. Wow, I love this game. So tell me, don't you think they will suspect you lying?
Who cares? Whatever they want to think is their business, not mine. I don't care. I want them to keep floating.
My girl, my girl. My girl, you have brain. I swear down.
Sister, I get time.
So tell me, what's your next step?
As I did like this now, so I swear, I don't know. I don't even know what I want to do. But I know that I will never be alive and watch Obinna with my eyes marry that girl. That will be over my dead body. It can never happen.
That guy is too wicked.
I thought your father asked you to invite her here today.
Yes, Mom, I did. But she has not taken my calls. I guess she doesn't want to talk to me.
Did you try to send her a text message?
I have done that, and she has refused to reply me. Mom, I guess that girl has a skeleton in her cupboard. Or maybe someone must have paid her to do this.
Possibly Jeff and his mother, don't you think?
Well, I suppose so.
Did you see Oma when you visited Onowu's house?
No, Mom. I guess she doesn't want to see me too.
Obinna.
Yes, Mom.
Something is going on. And we have to find out what it is.
I guess the only way to find out what actually is going on is by forcing Ife to go for another pregnancy test.
Babe, you know what? Just tell him I am not around. I know the house.
What's look good on the outside may not be so in reality. What's look good outside may not be so.
Where is she?
Welcome. I'm sorry she's not in.
I know she's in there. Go in there and tell her I want to see her immediately.
I just said she is not in. She didn't tell me where she was going.
You see, I know she's there. And I know she can hear me. If she's pregnant, like she's claiming, why can't she come out and prove it? Why is she hiding? And stop tarnishing my image because of her selfish interest.
Excuse me. I just told you she's not in. Why don't you call her on the phone? Phone manners. Rule number 1. Call before coming.
A tree is known by its fruit. A man is judged by his actions.
Ife! Ife!
I saw how Obinna has no shame. I saw him ranting. What is even wrong with this guy?
He was actually yelling at me. That was so rude, you know. I didn't do anything wrong.
If I shout for him back now. Wait, he wants me to prove a point to him that what? I should come and prove what to him? Let me see how you marry that girl. Let me see how you marry that girl.
You guys really need to settle all this.
Wicked things.
You want to get everything. Be careful. You want to force this life. Watch your steps. At the risky. You want to force this life. Watch your steps. Want to get everything.
Obinna, what is it? Why are you pestering my life?
Honey, please. You have to hear me out.
You have absolutely nothing to say to me. Nothing.
Honey, please don't allow this to bring a problem between us. Can't you see that this girl is lying? I mean, she's not pregnant. She was never pregnant.
Ah.
Yes.
Is that what you think?
She's only playing pranks.
She is so confident about it and she's ready to prove it.
She's ready to prove nothing. Oh yes, I can tell you. Because she's been avoiding me all this while. Just because I told her I'm going to take her to another hospital for a fresh pregnancy test.
Mr. Obinna, please, go away. go away and leave me alone. Go sort yourself and your mistress out.
Can't you see there's nothing to sort out? There is absolutely nothing to sort out with her because she's lying. Can't you understand?
I do not want to understand.
Please.
I was busy inside before you came in. I am here just because of courtesy. Find your way out.
Honey, please, Oma, please.
Why is it taking Father so much time to decide on this Obina's case?
It's known by its fruits. A man is judged by his actions.
If he decided not to turn up since the decision to take her to another hospital for another test, I mean, what do I do now?
Here he is, waiting for our father to declare him right person to marry Oma. The only thing he does in this house is to sit and drink. Sit and drink. Rubbish.
Want to get everything, be careful. You want to pursue this life, watch your steps. At the risky, want to pursue this life, watch your steps. Want to get everything, be careful.
Why is she staring at me like that? Is she suspecting me of something?
Thank you. Cheers. Thank you so much, Ichi.
My queen, thank you. Oh, my queen.
Cheers, Thank you very much.
My queen, don't mention. That's why you have someone like me to run to in a situation like this.
I really appreciate you.
That's all right.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Thank you. I'll be on my way now.
Okay. Please, don't forget to say my regards to Joffrey the Prince.
He will hear.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
God is...
We are living in peace and harmony. Mama, why?
Do you think Igwe will let Ejiofor marry Oma because of what is happening?
I doubt it though. You know Igwe loves Obina so much. And you always find a way to settle Obina's girlfriend.
Settle her? How? Do you think she will accept any form of settlement? Because all she desires is to marry Obina.
You're talking about the future Igwe of this land. His girlfriend is nobody compared to the Onowo's daughter. Igwe won't even allow her come between Obina and Oma.
You are right. But this is going to be very difficult. Are you sure she's going to terminate the pregnancy?
She'll be forced to. She will.
Are you sure?
Of course she will.
Anyways, let's watch and see.
Let's go. Choma, what is the matter? Choma, talk to me. Choma, talk to me. What is the matter? Choma. Why is she dressed like that? And where is her clothes on?
Come here. Why are you dressed like this? Who did you fight with? I'm asking you, what happened to you?
The prince, my queen.
Which of the princes?
Prince Obinna.
Did what? What did he do to you?
He raped me.
Shut your mouth. Shut up. Do you know the gravity of what you just said? Don't try it again.
My queen, it's the truth. He lured me into his room and raped me.
Ewo, was he the one that did this to you? He tore your dress?
Yes, my queen.
But let me ask you, did you actually do it with him?
Biodunze, what kind of stupid questions are you asking this girl? Can't you see that she has gone mad? She has gone raving mad.
I'm not mad, my queen.
Did you hear that? She said she's not mad. She's in her right senses. Eh? Hey! What good was Alusi? We must hear this one, no? Rape. Hey! Hey!
Tell me that you've gone mad.
I'm not mad, my queen. He raped me.
It's your phone. Please don't use that.
I don't use what? You're a rapist. Everybody knows you're a rapist. What is? You shouldn't be seen up. Do you really love yourself? Listen to me. No, do you love yourself? Look at where you are. You shouldn't be standing around this person. Please, if you love yourself. Oh no, don't do this to yourself. No, this is a rapist.
It's your phone. It's your phone. I will not warn you. It's your phone. I'm warning you. It's your phone. Stop the nonsense. It's your phone. It's your phone. It's your phone.
I'm telling you.
It's your phone.
His weapon is on friend.
It's your phone.
Stop what I'm saying. Stop. Please, right now. My dear, please. No.